A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling that has sent shockwaves through the political landscape, a federal judge has mandated the winding down of operations at the controversial immigration detention center known as Alligator Alcatraz, located in the heart of Florida's sensitive Everglades wetlands. U.S. District Judge Kathleen Williams issued an 82-page order late Thursday, stating that Florida officials failed to provide adequate justification for situating the facility in such an ecologically delicate area. The ruling comes after environmental groups and the Miccosukee tribe filed a lawsuit challenging the center's establishment, arguing that it poses serious threats to the environment and recreational interests. Judge Williams emphasized that state and federal authorities neglected to conduct the required environmental review under federal law before hastily constructing the facility, which was initially promoted as a cornerstone of former President Donald Trump's immigration policies. Governor Ron DeSantis, a Republican, responded defiantly to the ruling during a press conference, labeling Judge Williams an activist judge and asserting that the state would continue to pursue its immigration enforcement agenda. He stated, "We will respond accordingly. You either have a country or you don't." Judge Williams's order stipulates that the population at the detention center must be reduced within 60 days, with current detainees transferred to other facilities. Furthermore, she prohibited any new detainees from being admitted and restricted any additional construction or enhancements to the site. Only necessary safety repairs will be permitted to maintain the existing infrastructure. During court proceedings, attorneys revealed that the facility's population had dwindled to under 1,000 detainees, despite its planned capacity of 3,000. Potential relocation options for detainees include other Florida detention centers, such as the Chrome North Processing Center and the Broward Transitional Center. Earlier this month, Governor DeSantis announced intentions to establish a second detention facility, dubbed Deportation Depot, which is expected to house up to 1,300 detainees. This facility, located at a state prison near Jacksonville, could potentially expand to accommodate 2,000 individuals. The ruling also raises questions about the status of the hundreds of millions of dollars in contracts awarded for the construction and operation of Alligator Alcatraz. In July, contracts worth at least $245 million were signed, with taxpayers bearing the financial burden. However, the governor's office has not clarified whether taxpayers will remain liable for these contracts if the facility is ultimately closed. While the ruling marks a significant victory for environmental advocates, it is not the end of the legal battle. The state of Florida has already filed a notice of appeal, indicating that the case will continue to be litigated in the courts. A preliminary injunction, as issued by Judge Williams, serves as an initial measure to prevent further harm while the lawsuit progresses. The decision has implications not only for the future of Alligator Alcatraz, but also for the ongoing civil rights lawsuit that has been filed regarding detainee treatment at the facility. Lead attorney Eunice Cho has stated that the environmental ruling will not affect their case, as individuals will still be held at the facility for the next 2 months. As the legal proceedings unfold, the future of Alligator Alcatraz remains uncertain, and the political ramifications of this ruling will likely reverberate throughout Florida and beyond. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.